Hey guys, welcome to another Hot Wheels Monster Jam unboxing, and this is a truck from 2001, and besides the other three I reviewed from trucks, besides the other three trucks I got from eBay, I got this one from eBay as well, and it is Chillin Villain. Man, this truck is awesome, and yeah, let's unbox it. Alright, here it is, fresh out of the package. Let's move that. Here is Chillin Villain. So, it's basically got a normal, plain white grille. It says Hot Wheels Chillin Villain on the hood. Pretty cool. On the side, you got the, like ice creature. It says Chillin Villain. It says Hot Wheels on the side. There you got like ice flames on the top. Very cool truck, and I like the old Astrovan body. That's pretty cool, and got a pretty good deal on this truck. Only $13, so that's a steal. So yeah, so that was the quick unboxing and review of Chillin Villain. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and as always, ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss a new video, because obviously I post new content almost every day. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day.